with top priority auto detailing. I'm the CFO, don't you know? But also, I really love doing these review videos. Welcome to episode 5. We've got another Chemical Guys bucket today, and we don't know what's in it. So we're going to unbox this and tell y'all what we got. Hopefully you're interested in your own. Let's see what we've got today. Stickers. I love the stickers. Oh wow, guys, look at this towel. Gray mat or waffle leaf. Sounds pretty brainy. I like that. Wonder what we could use this for. Maybe like a giant scrubby? What do you think, Michael?
You should be able to use those on your windows if they're waffle weaves.
That's right. Oh my God, what's that? It's like Barney purple.
That's a really big wash mitt.
It is. It's a Chemical Guys Big Mofo. That's what it says. Chenille microfiber premium scratch-free wash mitt. Wow, look, it even has a hand hole in it.
Okay.
God, that's big. Let's see what surprises await. Oh, these are different. Leather quick detailer. How do you make this process quick, I wonder? Do you think it's like a cleaner and conditioner in one? Like a 2-in-1 shampoo of leather upholstery?
Maybe.
Dry to the touch. Cleans and maintains leather remover, dirt, dust, and fingerprints. So this might be something we can incorporate into our economy details if we like it. We're going to try this in the Camry, Michael.
Alrighty. Sounds like a winner.
Let's see what else we got here. Oh, Blacklight Hybrid Radiant Finish. It says glaze. What do you put it
Show the
on?
logo.
Is this for a black vehicle?
I don't know. That might be, I think that's one of their newer products.
Blacklight is crafted and formulated specifically for car lovers who aim for the smoothest, sharpest, and wettest reflection possible with strong durability, ease of application, and anti-static property. What sets Blacklight apart is its fully synthetic nano-blending formulation with the massive emulsion of gloss enhancers coupled with the new bi-blend technology that releases one crazy slick, yet another finishing wax we have here.
Okay.
Nifty. Can't wait to put that on the TC, Michael.
Absolutely.
Let's see what we got here. VO7 High Gloss Car Wash Soap.
Show that logo. Yeah, okay. And it's black and orange too. Just like your shirt.
I wonder what it smells like. And next, Hypercoat Protective Dressing. Agent Protecteur.
Oh yeah, we got that in the last bucket.
Huh. Well, then we really have to try it now, don't we? We got 2 of them.
Yep.
And last but not least, I think we already got some of this too.
Yep.
The Sprayable Carnuba. Premium Detailer. Brazilian Carnauba Wax.
Yep.
Nifty. Well, that was it for the bucket. But you know, this bucket...
Now we got a red and black bucket.
This one's even more different than the other one we got, Michael. We're just going to have a collection of buckets by the time we're done.
Right? We never have too many buckets.
Just like towels.
Okay.
Well, like the last one, I think this Chemical Guys bucket was chemical heavy. I guess we shouldn't be surprised.
Right.
I feel like the Adams buckets that we've got before were really heavy with towels, different microfiber type of tools. We even had brushes in the other one. So maybe next time we'll change it up and see what Adams can do for us next time. But thanks y'all for watching, for subscribing. Give us a like. Tell us what you think. If you've tried any of this stuff for yourself, let us know in the comments what you thought about it. And what are you most excited for us to showcase and review next as far as these products? Until next time, guys. See you later.